Okay, guys, today we are going to keep up the work we were doing in groups on Tuesday, and we're going to calculate the amount of time that passes between one time and another. So that's elapsed time, and we're going to continue doing that with a number line. So let's look at this problem. Elise has soccer practice at 3:30. Practice is over at 5:45. How long is her soccer practice? Well, we know that 3:30 is the start time because she has practice at 3:30. That's when it starts. We know that it is over at 5:45, so 5:45 is our end time. So now that means we're trying to find the change of time. So this number line already has some arrows drawn out because I thought, well, if I'm going from 3:30 to 5:45, my hour is changing. Can I make a hop of a whole hour? That will be a quick hop that gets me a whole hour closer. 3:30, if I went 1 hour in the future, it would be 4:30. So I'm going to make that jump first. I'm going to label my jump 1 hour, and then I'm going to label my new location at 4:30. Now let me think. Can I do that again? Because I feel like I made a lot of progress with just one little hop. Yes, I'm going to jump another hour. And what time will that be? Yes, 5:30. So now let me think. Can I jump another hour? No, you're right. I can't. Because if I jump another hour, it will be 6:30, and that's too far. So let me think, what would be a good jump? I think I'm going to go with 10 because 10s are nice and easy to count by. So 5:30 plus 10 minutes, the new time would be what time? 5:40, that's right. So now I'm almost there. This is my last hop. I need to go from 5:40 to 5:45. So that's easy. 40 plus 5 equals 45. So my last hop will be 5 minutes. So I'm looking to find out how long is soccer practice. So the change of time is what's up here. It's all my hops put together. 1 hour plus 1 hour, that's 2 hours. 10 minutes plus 5 minutes is 15 minutes. So my change of time was 2 hours, 15 minutes. Soccer practice was 2 hours and 15 minutes long. Let's look at one more problem together. Jamal wakes up for school at 6:30. He has to catch the bus at 7:15. How much time does Jamal have to get ready in the morning? Well, I can see that he wakes up for school. So when he wakes up at 6:30, that's when he's going to start getting ready. So, oops, I skipped back. So 6:30 is going to be my start time. Now, he catches the bus or gets on the bus at 7:15. So I know that that's when he's done getting ready. Like he has to be there then. So that is going to be my end time, and those have already become labeled on my number line. So once again, I'm looking for the change of time. How can I use these hops to get from 6:30 to 7:15? We want to be efficient. I definitely don't want to go by one 6:31, 6:32, 6:33, 6:34. That's going to take forever. I am not doing that. My hours change, so I wonder if I could start with a 1 hour hop. 6:30, a whole hour later, my hour is going to go up by 1 and my minutes are going to stay the same. That would be 7:30, so that won't work either. Why don't I start with 10 minutes? Those are counting by tens is really easy. So 6:30 plus 10 minutes would be 6:40. And let's keep hopping by tens. 6:40 plus 10 minutes would be 6:50. 10 more minutes would be 7 o'clock. Another 10 would be 7:10. And then my last hop is going to be 5 minutes, 7:15. So I add all this up, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. It takes Jamal has 45 minutes to get ready. So that is your lesson for today. There is a Learn Zillion video linked in Google Classroom if you would like to see another example. I want you to keep working in IXL today in the same sections from before, but you're also going to complete this slide. Now, when you open this up, it will create you a copy. Madison goes to recess at 12:15. Recess is over at 12:40. How long does Madison have recess? You are going to drag these text boxes over to the number line, and then you will type in them. So you'll type in those, and you will drag your arrows over to show your hops. And then you can check your answer when you're finished. So good work today, and we will see you in math groups.